Hey YouTube, this is NPC. One thing to mention before the build. First of all, sorry about my mic quality. You might hear a lot of background noise or maybe static. I'm just on my phone trying to record this. So I do apologize. So anyway, so this case, the Mini ITX case from NZXT, as you can see, it only supports up to 2-slot GPU cards. Whereas in this card, the 2070 Super from EVGA, I think only for the Win 3 edition, this is a 3-slot card. It's really beefy, thick card, which this is not gonna work. My initial plan was to use that, assuming this was a 2-slot card, and then with an AO in the front. But another issue is that, as you can see, I'm assuming this is a RTX Founder Edition card. It's just barely touching the radiator in front. So there should be a fan up there and then rad on the back. So I'm sure this is much longer than that card. So I don't think the AIO liquid cooler will not even fit with that in the first place. So my plan B now is to use an air cooler, I guess for temporary. This is an air cooler. It's from Be Quiet. It's a dark black slim. It's a 180 watt TDP, but I don't know if it's gonna cool the Ryzen 7 3800X, but it's not permanent, so I'll use that with a Asus Strix card. It's a GTX 1080 Ti. It's still decent in 2019. Also, this is a lengthy card. I know this might be lengthier than that one, but I did confirm with the NZXT that this card fits in here. So assuming we don't have the radiator in front, it has more headroom. So it will probably reach up to here, but we still can't fit the fans in front. So I'll be using that one with this, and maybe in the near future, I'll be swapping back this one with a 120 mil rad, maybe doing a push-pull, and then one case fan, just intake as well, the fresh air intake. Anyway, enjoy the rest, and if you do like it, please leave a like and comments. If you don't, also leave dislike or comments as well. But enjoy, and as always, thanks for watching.